Blessings, beautiful beings. I'm Shaman P, the Vibe Guy, and this is Daily Ritual, inviting us to start off with 2 deep breaths, filling the belly and the chest, and relaxing the jaw and the shoulders. Inhaling deep. Smile and relax the body. So this morning I'm here in my parents' kitchen. I was making some juice, and I just wanted to show how it actually is really easy to make juice. And there's a lot of different types of juicers out there. This is a turbine juicer, and so you can actually get one of these juicers for like, $50. And just talk about a few of the ingredients here. So apples are really great for lauric acid when you're cleansing and you want to clear out the liver and the gallbladder. And so the gallbladder the gallbladder stores bile after our liver creates bile to digest fats, and then due to the impurities and toxicity that's in our food and in our world, there's an accumulation of different types of buildup that comes into the gallbladder and into the liver just from processing all the toxins that we consume. And so when doing a cleanse, if you do a liver gallbladder flush, having a liter of apple juice a day, it helps to soften the gallstones and will allow them to be ejected from your body. We can talk about that more another day. Ginger is a really great anti-inflammatory. And so if you have pain in your joints, if you have inflammation in the body, that is the root of dis-ease in the body is inflammation. And so if we can reduce inflammation in the body, we can help to mitigate pain in the body. And there's a lot of craze actually about celery juice, straight celery juice in particular. If you're depending upon certain autoimmune disorders, we can actually help to support the body's innate intelligence to heal itself and to protect itself. And so the way I'm formulating this today is something that's a little bit more balanced. You get the sweetness of the apple, the spicy of the ginger, and the juice of the celery. And so just showing how quick and easy and simple it is I think it's really important, even if you're buying organic, to use some type of spray. So this is a fruit and vegetable wash. And so this one is actually, it uses citric acid, and a lot of them will have like oil as a base, and it helps to take off the pesticides. And so glyphosate is a really harmful toxin that is sprayed on 3/4 of the conventional produce. And so it's really important that we cleanse that. And so just to show how quickly and easily this is, it's cleaned, it's prepped. That's more of the work, is the prep and the cleanup, and you just go ahead and turn it on. So I'll spare you doing it all right now, but just got a full glass of the celery juice here, and is that like 40 seconds? And so wherever you are, whether you want to go to a lot of stores nowadays have Suja, which is an organic cold pressed juice that you can get. Sometimes they have it for like 2 for $5 for the smaller containers. I think they're like 12, 16 ounces. And then they have the larger containers for about $10, and really good, great way to start the day. Have a glass of water, have a glass of some juice. And so wherever you are, I pray that you have a beautiful, blessed day. May you focus on the good, may you focus on the light, maintain a positive mental attitude, and inviting us to end with 1 deep breath and relax. Aho, amen, ashe, namaste. Ciao for now.